Hi guys, Subhan here from 200forexpips.com. So guys, today I received another indicator based on the previous version that we were using on the red in the form of red boundaries. So this indicator is right now we are going to test it at how it works. So basically there are three lines here. Okay, you can see the top yellow line, the middle green line, and the third one is also the yellow one. Okay. So the methods are really same, that from the oversold you have to buy, and if it rejects from the top yellow line then you need to sell. So we are going to plan some trade based on this one, that how we can use it. Okay, so I am myself also testing it right now. So guys, do not panic about the arrows. We do not have to deal with the arrows. Okay, so do not worry about the arrows. These will disturb you, so do not have a look on them. Just look at these three lines. So overall, if we talk about the gap between these three levels, it's normally less, but we want to check them that either we are going to make any profit within these gaps or not. Okay, so right now I will wait because the market stands above the middle green line, but I want to see either it's going to push up or not, so that I can take any trade. And let's say if it goes below it, then I will be more interested in selling it for some time. So I will be with you and we will watch that how the market behaves with us. Either buy is going to trigger or either sell is going to trigger. So we will watch it together. So guys, it's kind of a testing for me as well, because I have just received it. So I'm also going to test it right now, that how it's actually works. Okay, right now testing the middle green line. So guys, you can see it is not repainting. Okay, so the good thing about this, that the previous version was bit repainting on the smaller time frames, so it's pumping down. Okay, so guys, look, it's pumping down. So I will wait for one candle, for 1 minute candle, or if it is long then I will take a ride, but if it is not long, okay, it's getting long, so I will take a sell position. So guys, because I have taken a sell position, so answer is simple, that the market is pumping below the middle green line. Okay, so it's a sell signal for me. Look, the trade is into profit. If it doesn't go up, if it continues down, then we should be in more profit. Just look at this area, also look at this line. So basically trading system is saying you that I want to go down from here, and it should test the at least come near to the that yellow line. So let's see that either it is saying us true or false. Is it a false signal or is that a true signal? Because I want to check it with you so that we can have a look on the testing right now. Okay, because if it breaks the middle green line again, then it means that our signal has missed. Okay, so that's why I have put the line here. Even I should put the line from here to here, so that you should now better understand that we are basically expecting the market near to the yellow line or somewhere near to that, so that we can understand that was that a good signal or not. Okay, so let's see. The next candle started currently at a 33 loss, 23. So basically trading system is saying it should go down. Okay, so it is basically telling us that it should go down. So we have to see either this is the right signal from the indicator or is that a bad signal. So basically I'm focusing on this thing. Okay, our trade is in profit, but this is not enough, because we do not want to trick the market with the little time frame. With a little profit, we don't want to trick like this. We want at least to come little bit down, so that we can say that we have taken a good scalping at least. So if it comes up to here, then we can say that it's a good signal. Okay, the next candle started. Let's see either it's going to break that green line or not. Okay, it's pumping up. Okay, again pump down, again pumped up and testing the middle green line. Okay, it will come fine with the matter of time. We will understand that either it wants to go down or basically it wants to go up, because right now it's fighting mainly onto the green line. So we want to check this. Okay, dropped again. Let's see, is this a proper drop or not? Okay, let's see. It's basically fighting on that green line right now. So the market is going to take is not going to take any decision till now. So let's see how it performs into the next minutes. So basically, do not forget that we have taken a sell trade from here because this candle was closed below the green line. So that's why we took our interest into the sell position. Now we have to see either that sell position was right or wrong. Okay, so basically the market moves like zigzag. You know that even when it's going up, then it also made the downward move as well, and then it went up. Okay, so we have to look at this thing, that how it is going to behave right now. Okay, it's a bit slow right now. We have to see this. And even if I go to 15 minutes, you can see the market is weakening, guys. You can see the pattern is weakening. So coming back to 1 minute again, let's have a more look. So basically and technically it should go down. This is not I'm saying, okay, because I'm not adding my own judgments with this, because I'm just explaining the indicators right now. Okay, so I'm not adding my experience with it. So because as per the trading system, it is saying us that I was close, because you can see nothing has repainted. Okay, it's giving us $38.56. Okay, coming down. Okay, nicely. So guys, it's a nice profit. I mean, if you're trading the 1 minute chart, look, basically it has provided us the signal from here. Look, now the market is here, dropped a bit. Okay, so it dropped up to here. The signal was right, but I want to test it more so that I can see was that more perfect or not. Okay, I will wait further because I want to see that what is the more capability in that system on the 1 minute, because right now I'm trading the 1 minute. So the more we will test, the more data that will be purified for us. Okay, it will be more purified data. Okay, again pumped up, no worries. The good thing, guys, is this, that if the candle isn't closes above the green line, it means that you are safe. Okay, so it hasn't changed any pattern. So technically what I was looking, look at this on the 15 minutes, what is it looks like to you. If it looks like to you, if it looks here, then it's a sell signal completely, because the market first went beyond the barriers of the yellow boundary, and this yellow boundary does not repaint. And coming back to 1 minute, guys, look, again it's pumping down. Okay, now it's giving more profit. Okay, so we want to test it more, because I just want to check the potential of that system, that how is it working, because this is, so it means that if you can trade like this, then guys, it is possible that you can also make profits on the 1 minute even. It's a good signal. Look, 68 and 59 bit reversed. So overall, if you ask me technically, most of the time I will say that I must be exit till now, but I want to test it bit more, because I am just looking at this yellow line, that either the market is trying to go near to the yellow line or not. So somewhere near or just here, so I can take a decision. That's if this candle pumps down, then guys, we might be interested in leaving the trade, getting out of that trade. So that could be our interest point of view. Okay, So guys, look how decent it is working, because if you look at here from the green boundary, it's completely losing its momentum. And look from how from $11 the profit has reached to 70 right now, and we are here to test it more, because I'm just testing it more for the sake of my subscribers, that how it's going, because I want to keep you informative about that thing as well. So look, the profit is reversed. Okay, now again coming into our way. Look at here. Okay, giving us more. So I think so maybe 100 it will give us. So let me test 86. So overall guys, technically I believe that you should be out of the trade. So overall I am testing it bit more, because in the 1 minute the things are a bit noisy, so you are never sure about it. So guys, on the same candle we will decide. Okay, 91, 95 and 95, 93 and 98. Oh, it's reversed again, no problem. Okay, 78, 87. So overall it was a fine signal. So guys, you must have seen it doesn't repaint. Okay, it was going fine, and till now it has worked properly fine. Okay, so nothing is repainting here. Just I told you nothing to give the words on arrows. Do not have to look this. Okay guys, great profit above 100 we have just closed. So overall excellent performance that we have seen. Even if I haven't closed till now, then it looks like that it will again lose the momentum. So overall I'm quite satisfied. Overall guys, if you look at here, quite fine. I mean, easy. It was an easy trade that I planned, because it was closed below, and if it reverses from the top level, then you need to take sell positions. If it goes from that level, it means the time to buy. Ignore the arrows, we have nothing to do with the arrows. That is what I am told. And guys, overall on the 15 minutes you can see a clear pattern. Just it was the matter of waiting for the right time. You can see only one candle pumped up, later on again the matter was down. So overall a good signal is given. We have traded it based on the 1 minute, so it was a fine signal. And hopefully you like this, and if you like this, then you can contact me guys on info@200forexpips.com. and if you want to get this, you can also contact me on WhatsApp, the WhatsApp number in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.